Stripper girl Poonam Pandey was seen in her debut film Nasha, doing love scenes with teenage Shivam Patel. She has always been in the limelight for her bold and bindass attitude. There are many sequences in the film where one can see Poonam and Shivam getting intimate. Subject of the film revolves around a current scenario of a guy having attraction towards a woman double of his age. The film involves most sexual scenes with teenage Shivam Patel. The film tells us how one cannot draw a line between love and attraction. Attraction eventually turns into intimacy. This has been properly justified by our very own Bollywood stripper Poonam Pandey.